Welcome back to another Smart Money Barber channel where we talk the finance side of barbering. We don't talk haircuts here. I already know you're good at haircuts, but now we got to know how to use our money and what to do with our money. So let me get right to it. Today, I'm going to talk through the use of ChatGPT to the accountants of Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. I'm going to ask questions that I wish the 19-year-old me asked when I first started cutting hair. Had I known what I'm about to tell you guys, what I'm about to share with you guys right now, when I was 19 years old, I would have been doing this YouTube channel a long time ago. I would have been sitting down here with time to talk to you guys a while back. But things happen how they happen. I'm here now. And thank goodness I'm able to teach you guys things that the 19-year-old me, look at this kid. Who knew he was going to be where he is now because of listening to smart people that were smarter than him, telling him to invest. We got to invest that barber capital. Barbering is a great income, but we have to learn how to invest it. Why? Because the purchasing power of the dollar is only going lower and lower over time. So we got to learn how to beat the inflation, beat the debasement or the devaluing of the currency that we get paid in. They don't teach us finance in barber school. Remember that. And you are a solopreneur. You are an entrepreneur. We don't have no 401ks. This ain't no W-2 income type job. Okay. So join me as I ask ChatGPT. I said to ChatGPT, if I had the same accountant as Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk, and I told them I'm a barber trying to master the game of finance and build real wealth in America, what are the top 10 pieces of advice they'd give me to reach financial freedom using my skill behind the chair? Basically, what I did here is I went at not Jeff Bezos and not Elon Musk. I went to the person who handles their money, who sees their books. That's the person that truly sees all the moves Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk are making. They know what they're doing. And let's see, here's how that question would sound and what those Bezos or Musk level accountants would tell you if you were a barber sitting in their office saying, I want to master the game of finance and build real wealth in America using my clippers. Let me move myself to the side. But first, let's see. Oh, can't go too low yet. No. All right, we're going to look at the first two. We are going to look at the first two. The first one, let's start with the first one. Number one, turn your chair into a business, not just a job. That means register an LLC or S Corp, separate personal and business accounts. I want you to note that right there. A lot of barbers are making this mistakes. They're not separating their personal from their business, and you should have that separation. Every dollar you earn should flow through your business so you can leverage the tax code, not suffer from it. We know in the barber world, in the barber sphere, it's popular that stigma that people like to, tuck the cash, not report the cash. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk accountant is saying, don't do that. That's not how you get rich. And we're going to go into the reasons why. Let's see. We are going with the second one. Number two, track every cent that touches your hands. Know what's coming in daily, what's going out weekly, and what's left monthly. Use a simple system like QuickBooks, Google Sheets, or an app to make your numbers talk to you. What this means is you need to track every single person that comes to your chair. Every single time after the haircut, open up the Google Sheets, open up the notes, do it old school, write it down, whatever you got to do, but track every single dollar. At the end of the day, at the end of the week, you need to know exactly every penny that came in, and you need to know every penny that came out. And here in the Smart Money Barbers channel, we're going to talk more about these type of things. But for now, we're going with the accountants of the billionaires. On to number three. Number three, we got 10 of these, by the way, guys. We got 10 of these, the top 10. Number three, report your income. Don't hide it. Billionaires play the long game. Reporting income gives you access to leverage, credit, loans, business lines, and mortgages. You can't build wealth in a system you're invisible to. Look at that line. You can't build wealth in a system you're invisible to. That's for those barbers that, are trying to hide, are trying to tell you, don't report your income or don't report that cash. If you're trying to grow, if you're trying to be an investor, if you're trying to make money outside of just the chair, right? Because you're special, you could do that. Report that money. You can't build wealth in a system you're invisible to. Let them know. Number 4 of 10. Let's see. Master taxes like you master fades. Learn what's deductible, tools, supplies, education, marketing, even a portion of your phone and home studio. Keep receipts. The IRS rewards the organized. Keep them receipts. Take pictures. I suggest you use a credit card from your business account to buy up all the expenses, all the clippers, all the food that you buy, all the marketing that you do. Put it all under one credit card. My advice, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm only sharing with you my experience and my stories. I suggest that you put your expenses on one credit card so that at the end of the year, you know, and the accountant knows exactly what all you spent. Don't mix it. Don't combine it with the personal stuff. On to number 5. Trying to fly through these, guys. I know you guys don't got all that time. You guys got hair to cut. Shit. Number 5. Automate your money flow. Have every deposit automatically split. So in this case here, doesn't need to be exactly how they split it here, but this is the example they gave. 50% can go towards expenses. 30% of your money can go towards taxes. 20% of your money can go towards wealth. The point is, you want to build systems so discipline happens automatically. You want to learn how to separate money and put it in the places that it needs to go so that you're disciplined and that you and you know where each and every dollar is. Number 6 out of 10. Let's go. Number 6, invest the profits, not just save them. This is huge. Start with what you know: index funds, ETFs, dividend stocks. Then learn about ownership, real estate, equity, or digital assets that work while you cut. A lot of people think, oh, you know, you only just need to turn into the owner of the barbershop. You need to get your own shop in order to get rich or get wealthy. That's not true. You can begin investing, right? You can put a quarter towards an investment. You can put $1 towards an investment. You can download Coinbase or Robinhood. These are investing apps where you can buy stocks. You can download these and put 20 and start with $20. What they say is don't put it in a piggy bank. Why? Because the purchasing power of the dollar has only gone down. If you put $1 in a piggy bank, what happens when the milk and the gas and the other food gets more expensive? What happens? You're purchasing the power of your dollar is limited versus assets. They increase, they go up in value, and they go down too, but for the most part, they grow year over year, especially if you invest in, you know, businesses that you believe in are doing well or can do well. Number 7, create multiple income chairs. Here's what they mean. Teach classes, sell products, build a YouTube channel, rent booths. This is for the people that, you know, dream of being a barber owner. Start a men's grooming brand. Bezos doesn't rely on one revenue stream. Neither should you. Do as you please, but don't think of only just one road to get the bag, to get to the bag. Split yourself up. Become versatile. This is why we're talking smart money, so that you can have income coming in all directions. Number 8, use debt as a tool, not a trap. I'm gonna read that one again. Use debt as a tool, not a trap. Good debt buys assets that make you money. Bad debt buys liabilities that impress people. Learn the differences early. When you get them credit cards, what are you buying with that? Are you buying something that is not increasing in value? Are you going out there to buy things that just look good, material things, just so that you can appear rich and wealthy? Or are you using those credit cards the wise way, which in my opinion is to buy the things you need for work so that you can use your income, your actual income, to go and buy investments like stocks that I just spoke about, right? Check yourself. Check your debt usage. Do it early. Number 9, think in systems and scale. Document how you cut, schedule, market, and manage clients. When you can teach your system to others, you move from self-employed to entrepreneur. What does this mean exactly? This means take a mental note or documentation of what's working for you. On days that you cut a lot of people really quick, ask yourself, man, what did I do right this day? Did I eat lunch quicker? Did I bring home, cook food and not go out to eat and use my time wisely? Did I talk less? Did I just any and everything? Was I using a better tool, better machine? Document these things, and how you schedule. Did you have a good scheduling week? Were you using an app? Track all this stuff. Be hyper aware of all this stuff so that you can so that one day you can teach this success, right? This system if you need it or when you become an entrepreneur. And number 10, last but not least, is protect the empire you're building. Get insurance, an emergency fund, a trust, a retirement plan. Wealth isn't just about making money. It's about keeping it and passing it forward. So what we're doing here is protecting basically our whole brand. Protect everything that you're doing. Protect your whole entity. Smart Money Barbers, this is a whole goal. This is what I wish somebody told me when I was 19 years old. I wish somebody was telling me, hey man, buy things that increase in value right now. These Jordans right now, this clothes right now, going out to spend money on liquor, alcohol, playing, just having fun. Don't get me wrong, you can have fun, but back to where is it? Automate your money flow. Back to the systems, back to the tracking of your money, or we can go to track every cent that touches your hand. Back to this. We need to learn how to track our money so that the version of us who is not so financially literate doesn't go crazy just spending carelessly, because this is not the way to build wealth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this topic. If you did, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe so you can get more content like this, where we teach barbers how to elevate their financial literacy. For now, I'm out.